The importance of unity, really, why I firmly believe that it is um, part of the major reason I think that we have got the numbers we've got at the moment. And that is because of our community, our unity of what we have done over the last period of time that we have been aligned and following our CEO, Ash Mufarah. But there's a lot more to unity, isn't there, than just that? It is a state of being united, a combined into a single harmonious whole. It makes us part of something. It implies a sense of agreement with other people, shared purpose, even, and harmony among different parts or individuals that form a cohesive entity. Sounds quite far-fetched, doesn't it, really, when you look at it in that manner? But having like-minded people along with you, having that unity really is, for me, part and parcel of why I am here, part of my journey. And I'm sure that many of you out there will resonate with what I'm saying, that the community is almost as important as what is going to happen to us with our own success. And talking of success, a topic I want to talk to you tomorrow about is success comes from the steps you take. That is going to be tomorrow. Why am I going to talk to you about that tomorrow? Interestingly, it was somebody else that I follow that was talking about small steps. And if you remember, underneath not Chris's last live, but the one before that, Ash Mufarah himself was talking about the small steps that we make on our journey. And interestingly, I found a really cool little reel video about how important small steps and the visual that we have for that, rather than trying to jump to success, making those small steps to your success. This is what we are going to be doing, certainly within Victory with Ash, through that learning, through how to do things online that we didn't know how to do before, those small steps, bite sizes that we can take in, we can then put to good use those new skills that we're going to gain for our moving into our success into the next business. But it was also interesting, some of the comments that I got underneath that, saying that Ash is going to be our success and it's the people that we follow that is our success, etc. Actually, it's not. Ash Mufarah is giving us the vehicle. He's giving us the place where we can be successful. He is giving us all of the tool set in one place for free, by the way, where we will be able to learn how to be successful. But it's our small steps that we are going to take that will get us to it in the end. Anyway, that's for tomorrow. Let's talk about unity a little bit more and why it is extra special for all of us on our own journey into Victory with Ash and beyond. Having that alignment, having that sense of belonging is really important to so many people. I've given you my stories many a time of when I was in the military and having the uniform and sense of being part of something, and then afterwards into the fire service, etc. This feels exactly the same to me. You guys out there, our community, our unity of people together with a common goal, a common theme, a like-mindedness of what we are trying to do. This gives me the same feeling. That unity is our bond. It's a very powerful thing, isn't it, really, when you think about it? Because not many other people, or certainly businesses out there, have that unity amongst its membership. Most of them are driven by one thing and one thing only: money. That is what interests people. That's what keeps people there, because of either the promise of success and money, or the idea that they can make the money themselves. Whereas our unity is of a almost a higher responsibility and being, isn't it? It's not just about the money. There is far more to this than the wealth. And that is what I love about it, is that our community, our unity of the people within it makes us so strong. And that is reflected in the amount of people that have already joined Victory with Ash. 500,000 people is nothing to be sneezed at. Many new businesses would give literally their right arm to have that amount of people from the get-go, before you've introduced anything, as their customer base. Amazing, really, isn't it? So unity has lots of different meanings. For me, that's what it's all about: the belonging, the idea of we are together as a unit moving forward. It's also about openness and wholeness as well. The primary definition is the quality or state of being one, or single is singleness. It is about forming a complete, complete and totalitarian from the separate parts. So what you're doing here is the unity of people makes us all one. That's what it's basically saying. I wouldn't say that we are all one, but we certainly have common theme, common goal, certainly aligned with what we are trying to achieve. And that is really something that, for me, is what unity is about. It's also about agreement and harmony. In a social group context, unity refers to mutual agreements, concord or shared spirits, sentiments, a purpose among people. This is, for me, what that really does mean. Team unity, everyone understanding and working towards that shared common goal. It's also a part of technical and specialist uses as well. What do we mean by this? Unity is in maths as well, to the number 1. Arts and literature describes the arrangement of elements and work to create single harmonious effects and overall design, that unity of what we see. In drama, it refers to 3 classical principles or dramatic structure: action, place, and time. And in law, it refers to specific conditions required for a joint tenancy, such as unity of time, title, interest, and also possession. There's also unity within software, as a popular real-time 3D development platform used for creating video games and AR and VR experiences. And also the last one is religion. Unity is a specific American religious movement that emphasizes spiritual health and prosperity rooted in Christian principles. But in general usage, unity is often seen as a source of strength. People working together in agreement can achieve more than those who are divided. It goes back to our strength. Our unity makes us very, very strong. It makes us resilient. It makes us be able to deflect the negativity, to be able to lean on each other when times are bad. This is the unity of our community that really does set us apart from others. It's something we should be extremely proud of being part of. It is something that we should embrace rather than shy away from. Callie, Calistro, thank you so much for your super sticker, by the way, my friend. Put you up there in lights. It is certainly something that we should be proud to be part of. Many of us, and we've said this many, many times, many of us have had our fair share of trials and tribulations on our journey. But the unity of our community is certainly something that keeps us going in the right direction, following our CEO, Ash Mufara. Anyway, guys, that's it from me for today.